Hey, warriors. Let's be real. Just because we're watching our blood sugar doesn't mean we can't enjoy something cold, creamy, and chocolatey once in a while. Let me introduce you to my favorite little indulgence, frozen Mocha Milan mint, diabetic-friendly edition. So what does in moderation mean? It's simple. It means occasionally, not daily. It means smaller portion sizes, think under 12 ounces. And it means pairing smart. Enjoy it after a high-protein meal. You're not banning joy, you're just keeping it in check. Here's what you need. Half a cup of cold brew coffee, half a cup of unsweetened almond milk, half a cup of ice, 1 tablespoon unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar-free chocolate syrup, a 1/4 teaspoon of peppermint extract, 1 scoop of low-carb protein powder, 1 to 2 teaspoons of erythritol, monk fruit, or stevia. Topping: 2 tablespoons of sugar-free whipped cream. Optional, a sprinkle of cocoa or sugar-free chocolate shavings. Blend everything together, pour it into a glass, top it up, sip slowly, enjoy every chocolatey, minty swirl. You deserve it. And yes, all the ingredients are available on Amazon or in your local store, so go treat yourself the smart way. This is your Type 2 Diabetes Warrior reminder. Small joys in moderation are part of the journey. Stay cool and keep sipping smart.